The most beloved president in Africa was killed by his best friend. It's 1987, Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso. At 33, a young leader has transformed one of the world's poorest countries in just 4 years. He bans female genital mutilation, plants 10 million trees, and achieves food self-sufficiency. He cuts his own salary and rides a bicycle to work. The people love him like no leader before. But his anti-colonial speeches anger France, and neighboring dictators fear his example will spread revolution. His closest ally since military school, the man who helped him seize power, begins secret meetings with French officials. On October 15th, he receives an invitation to a routine government meeting. He arrives unarmed, trusting completely. Gunmen surround the building as he enters. Shots ring out in the conference room. His body falls, and within hours, his best friend announces himself as the new president. France immediately recognized the new government. The incorruptible revolutionary who trusted his brother was Thomas Sankara.